To create a Goal Saver account with Commbank, start by logging into your existing Commbank account through the Commbank website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section and click on the option to open a new account. Select the Goal Saver account from the list of available accounts and click Next. You will then be prompted to enter the details of your goal, including the amount you want to save and the date by which you want to achieve it. You can choose from a range of preset goals, such as a holiday or a car, or create a custom goal. After setting your goal, you will need to set up a regular transfer from your everyday account to your Goal Saver account. This can be a fixed amount or a percentage of your income. Commbank's Goal Saver account offers a bonus interest rate if you meet certain conditions, such as making regular deposits and not making any withdrawals. To be eligible for the bonus interest rate, you must make at least one deposit per month and no withdrawals in that month. It is also important to note that you can set up multiple Goal Saver accounts for different goals, and you can track your progress towards each goal through the Commbank website or mobile app. By following these steps and setting up a Goal Saver account with Commbank, you can create a savings plan that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to review and adjust your goal regularly to ensure you are on track to achieving it. The key benefits of a Goal Saver account include earning a competitive interest rate, setting and achieving financial goals, and tracking your progress online. By using a Goal Saver account, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards your goals. To get the most out of your Goal Saver account, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, and take advantage of the bonus interest rate by making regular deposits and avoiding withdrawals.